Assalamualaikum students. I am Kausar Kiran from Southern Business School, University of Southern Punjab, Multan. Students, in the first part of this lecture, we discuss agriculture sector, its introduction, its objectives, its aims, its importance, and what is pricing, agriculture pricing policy, agriculture credit. Now we discuss agriculture taxation and Pakistan land reforms. First of all, we discuss agriculture taxation. Agriculture taxation include rise revenue and addressing inequality, while arguments against is often cite administrative difficulties and the potential for negative impacts on farmer and the economy. Land reforms has historically been used in Pakistan to redistribute land ownership, with the first major law passed in 1959. The current government agriculture policy focus on increasing productivity through subsidies, uh, mechanization, and crop diversification, as highlighted by recent budget allocation and the economic survey in 2022 to 3. Economic survey shows a decline in important crops, but growth in other crops like livestock and fishing and cotton and production uh, decreasing, but compensated by other crops. Agriculture taxation. Agriculture taxation in Punjab, agriculture income up to 60,000 per year in is exempt for tax. If your income exceed their uh, thresholds, the agriculture income tax is charged according to the officially Punjab agriculture income tax rate. Make sure to consult the latest rate issued by the Punjab Board of Revenue. What is the arguments in favor? Increase government revenue. Number one, increase government revenue. Taxation of the agriculture sector can provide a new stream of revenue for development process. Number second, addressing inequality. Taxing agriculture income help reduce rural inequality by capturing a large share of wealth from a larger landlords. Fairness in tax burden. Arguments are made that agriculture income should be taxed to ensure a fair tax burden across all sectors of the economy. What is against arguments? Number one, administrative challenges. Implementing and enforcing agriculture income tax can be complex and costly due to the vast and dispensed nature of farming, as well as issuing with land record keeping. Number third, economic impact. It should be disinsensitive agriculture production, reduce profitability and potentiality, lead to higher food prices. Tax avoidance. The potential of tax is high in the formal agriculture sector. Political feasibility or flexibility. In this, In this, it can face strong political position from the powerful agriculture lobby. Now we discuss land reforms in Pakistan. Ayub Khan government passed the first major piece of legislation concerning land reform in Pakistan in the form of Land Reform Regulation 1959, Regulation 64 of 1959, according to which no one individual could own more than 500 acre of irrigated and 1,000 acre of unirrigated land are a maximum of 36,000 proceed. Historical context: the first major land reform was the Land Reform Regulation in 1959, which limited ownership to 500 acre of irrigated and 1,000 acre of unirrigated land per individual. Further reforms, law reform in 1977 was passed by democratically elected parliament. Purpose: these reforms were aimed at redistributing land reforms, reducing the power of large landlords and potential improving the economic situation for similar farmers. Agriculture price policy of Pakistan. The current policy emphasizes increasing productivity and profitability for farmers with the focus of mechanization and food security. Measurement: providing targeted subsidies to lower the cost of inputs like seeds and fertilizers. And the next is announcing spot prices for certain crops to ensure farmer profitability, promoting crop diversification with and increase economic returns to farmer. In centralizing the agriculture sector to reduce input costs and increase profitability margins. Total budgetary allocation details on specific budgetary allocation requirements, the large budget documents, different crop situation, overall performance, the overall the overall performance the overall the overall performance that is the overall here we discuss the overall performance that is different crops different crop situation different crop situation, that is economic survey. Overall performance is the main topic is the that is 3.2 something, the most budget area that is covered. Growth sufficient. Growth in other sectors is 0.23%, primarily due to 53.15% increase in oil seeds production. Livestock growth 3.78%. The forestry sector 3.93%. Fishing sector grow at 1.44%. Uh, that is the most uh, thinking point of our economy, and the main problem which is focus our Pakistani government. So here we take step that should government about the betterment of agriculture sector, the improvement of agriculture sector, the budgetary allocation. Details on specific budgetary allocation requires the last budget documents, which are not fully detailed in the provided, but the overall focus is on incentives that sectors and increase the productivity. Now we sum up the overall all the um, lecture. Here different situation on Pakistan economic survey, that is uh, we sum up in overall performance. The overall performance of the important crops declined by 3.20% in 2022 to 23. Decline in specific crops. Cotton production saw a significant decrease of 23.01% due to fall in cotton production, which also impacted cotton gaining. Now here we discuss the in the agriculture part, agriculture definition, pricing policy, credit policy, what is agriculture credit, what is formal credit, what is informal credit, and what is land reforms duration, and what is agriculture taxation. Hopefully students, you will very understand the overall agriculture topic. Now if any question, you can discuss in the discussion room. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.